Good morning. Good morning. Say hi. Hi, YouTube. Today, my youngest is 6 months. Aren't you? You're 6 months today. So exciting. Halfway to being 1. Yeah, you are. What? Yeah, you are. Oh, yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. What? Hi. Say hi. Hi. Our big brother is at school right now, and we're just having fun, aren't we? Yeah. So, yeah. Hi, Precious. Hi, Precious. Hi, Precious. Hi, Precious. Are you precious? Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Yeah, you are. Yeah. Yeah, you are. So, hi, Precious. Hi. I'm hoping everyone is having a good day. It's chilly here where we live at in Missouri. Man, do I miss it being warm. But say I'd rather be cold than sweating. I hate sweating. Yeah, Mommy hates sweating. So, yeah. High five? Yeah. I'll come back on later today and do another YouTube video. Thanks for watching. Bye.